This is beautiful Honey. Honey is adorable little boxer mix. She was found as a stray. We're not sure if she washed down from the floods here in Texas or how she came about to be stray, but it looks like she hasn't eaten a whole lot in a long time. She's real thin. Her little ribs are showing, but she looks night and day according to her foster mom from where she did when she came in. So she was a lot skinnier, if you can imagine that. Like her foster mom said she thought that was going to be her last day. We've got her slathered up here with new stock, and she's getting her vaccines and all that good stuff, so she'll be ready to go here in just a little bit. We're working on her weight right at the moment, and we got to do some heartworm testing here soon as well, but right now we're not going to do that. So we're just going to let her enjoy her foster home and all the love and attention. She's recently had puppies. She did want to check out Bubbles. She's very sweet to Bubbles, so was a fantastic mom. She's here at the CCPAL Rescue, and she could be adopted locally, or we will work with the transporters for this beautiful dog as well. Her name is Honey, and she's 3 to 4 years old, boxer mix.